Booger, what do you call a cow with no legs? It's ground beef.
What do birds give out on Halloween? Twigs and trees.
What do cats call a nice meal? What do they call a nice meal? A fancy feast.
What's a bunny's favorite place to go to breakfast? IHOP.
Why couldn't the toilet paper cross the street? Because it got stuck in the crack.
Why did the guinea pig cross the street? To prove that he wasn't chicken.
Why was 6 afraid of 7? 'Cause 7, 8, 9.